So if you look at the pound yen, what a beautiful short trade and a long trade. And if you let me explain to you the price action. So we had this beautiful breakout at the Asian session, squeeze amazing profit, and you can see as explained my trade. This is the point of interest. I said to my trade, if the price can stay below this, that's the sign of continuation to the downside. Otherwise, if the price come back and give us the confirmation, then I'm expecting upside. So this is what exactly happened. So we had this beautiful short trade at the Asian session, squeeze amazing profit, and then later on we've been taking a long trade here, and this was the target around this level, which price nicely hit and squeeze amazing profit. We'll see if the price gonna stay above this level. Otherwise, if the price break, give us the confirmation short. Otherwise, long here. Now, let me share with you how we analyze this short entry and this long entries until the profit target hit, and explain each and every analysis in detail. So let's look at the analysis first. Hello traders. Today is the 15th of October, Wednesday 2025. Let me share with you guys how we help our traders to squeeze amazing profit through live intraday analysis. Today we didn't have any high impact news. We had a medium impact news for the dollar. That was the Empire State Manufacturing Index was expected minus 1.8, but the actual data 10.7, which is a positive, but still we have seen all the measure against the dollar was bullish and the dollar was bearish. So let me share with you how we analyze the market. So if you look at the pound dollar, guys, we had a nice beautiful long, and if you look at the previous price action, which is very important, we were expecting, let's see if the price is going to develop a pullback. We have this impulsive reaction, pretty straightforward. Price respected the support level. Instead, we have correction. We had impulsive reaction, and as always after impulsive, the price develops some sort of like a confirmation or correction, that's sign of continuation. So we have this impulsive reaction, price refused to stay below this level, and after this breakout, price give us the confirmation. That was the high probability of continuation. So we had this beautiful pullback this at the Asian session. This London morning we banked some profit, and after that at the New York session, despite the news was good for the dollar, but as mentioned, if my trade, if the price is going to respect this major support, I'm expecting one more push, and this is the target which price nicely hit. Now, let me share with you guys how we analyze the entries and exit. So if you look at the Asian session, this was the analysis. We had it pretty straightforward, as mentioned, look for pullback. So that was a beautiful pullback long trade. We had it amazing hit target, squeeze amazing profit onto this one, and then we have another beautiful, another small long trade here. Later on the price developed a sideways market around this consolidation. So we did another analysis at the Asian, so sorry, at the New York session. We had this beautiful breakout, pretty straightforward. As I mentioned to my trader, you can see here the price nicely respected one, two, three times, beautiful third touch, price nicely broken, and beautiful hit to the profit target and squeeze amazing profit, guys, on pound dollar. Okay, so Euro USD more or less the same. If you look at the Euro USD, the price action, and let me show you guys. Okay, so Euro USD, we had a more or less the same price action. Price refused the previous low, as you can see here. Yesterday we had this beautiful long trade here. Price refused to stay below this level, and after this breakout, price give us the confirmation. We had this amazing analysis at the Asian session. London morning we have banked some profit, and then price came back here and retest this level. We also had a long trade ahead and nicely hit to the profit target. Now let me show you guys, we had two analysis, one this one and second this one, squeeze amazing profit. And if you look ahead, the first analysis we had, this was the analysis we mentioned at the Asian session. Any pullback would consider high probability trade because the momentum was very bullish. So we had this beautiful pullback, London morning session around 8:48 London time. We squeezed amazing profit onto this one. Then we also had another pullback. That was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here. Amazing analysis. You can see it at the New York session. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, we suggest it's time to consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss to the break even, or consider banking some profit. So that was a beautiful analysis and beautiful trade. We have another one, which is a pound yen. We have all these 12 major currency pair, all the analysis, but For the time constraint, I'm not going to go all of this, but if you really want to see all those analysis in real time, I'm offering free analysis, guys. So more information is given in the video description. All right, so if you look at the pound yen, oh, what a beautiful short trade and a long trade. And if you let me explain to you the price action. So we had this beautiful breakout at the Asian session, squeeze amazing profit, and you can see, as explained material, this is the point of interest. I said to material, if the price can stay below this, that's the sign of continuation to the downside. Otherwise, if the price come back and give us the confirmation, then I'm expecting upside. So this is what exactly happened. So we had this beautiful short trade at the Asian session, squeeze amazing profit, and then later on we've been taking a long trade here, and this was the target around this level, which price nicely hit and squeeze amazing profit. We'll see if the price gonna stay above this level. Otherwise, if the price break, give us the confirmation short. Otherwise, long here. Now, let me share with you how we analyze this short entry and this long entries until the profit target hit, and explain each and every analysis in detail. So let's look at the analysis first. First of all, if you look at here, this was the Asian session analysis, which is I'm talking about the short trade here from here. As you can see, pretty straightforward price. We also had this pullback, but mainly we were looking at this breakout, this one. Price nicely broken, as mentioned here. Let the price break, give us the confirmation. Price broken and give us the confirmation. 1, 2, 3, beautiful. And you can see around London just before the, European Open, we bank amazing profit on this pound yen. Amazing trade, guys. Then we also had another small long trade here. That was the basically, if you look at here, the price action at the bottom here, price come back broken and give us the confirmation. And intraday, we can see here the price nicely broken. We have three touch, price refused to stay below this level, but a high probability, as mentioned, look for these breakouts. This is the journey started. So we have this beautiful breakout in 4 hour. Beautiful. So after that, even we did another analysis. That was a beautiful, another beautiful. You can see here, price came back here, price, and we did another analysis. As mentioned, price develop false breakout, but let's see here if the price can develop pullback, sign of continuation. So you can see here the price nicely broken. Even after the breakout, price give us the confirmation, hit to the profit target, and most of the traders really enjoy this trade. Then we also had another long trade here, which is a pretty straightforward. If you look at here, the price respected this 200 EMA in intraday, as you can see here. Safest way, let the ME look for this breakout. And this area, price nicely broken, momentum was bullish, beautiful hit to the profit target, squeeze amazing profit. Even after that, we have another small long trade here, which is a pretty straightforward. Price nicely develop a pullback, a hit to the profit target, and squeeze amazing profit. Now we are looking, let's see here, right now in intraday, this is the price action what we're expecting here. This is the point of interest. Price, if the price gonna break this low here and give us the confirmation, then short, otherwise long here. We'll see tomorrow, guys. But we manage amazing profit, guys, today on all the major currency pair. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. But if you would like to see those analyses free of cost, as mentioned, we open a live account with a QBN Global. More information given in the video description, guys. And thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.